I have to say that Enugu has it all for me, okay? I've not even seen anything yet, but I'm already freaking out already because this is just a beautiful sight. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is the second part of my Enugu trip. Of course, if you've seen my first vlog about Izimo Waterfall, which is a rare gem right there in Enugu State, and so far I am having so much fun. So for today's second part of this vlog, where we'll be heading off to, is this vlog basically starts with a little tour, a little driving around of Enugu State, and then we headed towards Ngwo Pine Forest, and we also visited the waterfall and the cave there before heading off to Unity Park, which is a must-see, okay, a must-see here in Enugu. So guys, my name is Abil. Welcome back to Waka Waka. Enjoy the rest of this vlog. I'm having my Abacha right now. Now they enjoy for this Enugu. Wow, freaking delicious. So we finished that delicious Abacha, and then that was the new market area, and then from there we're told to take a bus to Ngwo. Now the road that leads to Ngwo, this village, right, is actually uphill, and it just brought me back to when we were driving up to Tagaitai. It was just beautiful, it was scenic, and it just brought back those memories. But right now I am in the midst of pine trees, guys. These are so beautiful. Like, I'm gonna just show you around, okay? Like, I'm having so much fun here. It's freaking cold though, but so far we are having so much fun here in Enugu. So these pine trees that we're literally walking amongst were planted 50 years ago to kind of like battle erosions here in this area, but it ended up surviving, and it's just this magnificent side here. It's just this beautiful side here in Enugu State, and they're just like, they're really tall. God, I need to touch one of these, okay? Oh God, I think I have to say that Enugu has it all for me, okay? I've not even seen anything yet, but I'm already freaking out already because this is just a beautiful sight. So we're leaving the noisy area and we're headed to, there's a cave here, and there's also a small waterfall or grotto, and that's where we're headed to right now. And there are actually some girls, like four of them, and other people too. They're coming with us to the waterfall. Ngwo has a pine forest, there's a cave here, and there's a waterfall. How good can it get, okay? 3 in 1 just in a particular location, guys. Look at this bamboo plant. Whoa. I can hear the waterfall from here. That's our tour guide right there. There's just lots of trash around here. Oh my god. Look, guys. Oh. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Whoa. Guys, we're here at Ngwo Cave and Waterfall. Yes, I was not going to resist the temptation. I actually went underneath the waterfall and I just stood under it and I got bit by the waterfall and it was just freaking refreshing and awakening. Oh, I'm getting cold already. Like I'm wearing my sneakers and joggers and whatever. Enugu State, guys, so much fun here. So much fun. All of the dirt we saw at the cave were actually brought in from the top of the waterfall into the cave, and that's why they had this bamboo plants planted just to prevent erosion, because this place is highly one of the top places with erosion basically. So we just came out of the cave. That was super fun. I just went underneath the water and just took everything in. It was freaking hard on the body, but I so much enjoyed it. So we are back at the new market and we are in a bus that will take us to layouts, and we're headed to the Unity Park, which is our last stop for the day. So you're walking around Okpara Square. It's just right behind me here, and hopefully I don't know when the Unity Park when it closes. We're just trying to catch up before it gets dark. So we just got to Unity Park. It's actually free entry. They close by 7 o'clock. I think on Mondays to Fridays it's from in the morning till 7 p.m. and then on Saturdays it's from 12 o'clock till 7 p.m. in the evening. And God, this is definitely an attraction, guys. This is freaking insane. Guys, still at the lion sculpture, and this is the end of our first day, our first tour of Enugu State, and this is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye. Unity Park, guys.